Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel SK Solutions. My name is Deepti Madhuri and I am a Tally trainer. In previous video, we discussed about receipt and payment vouchers, and we also learned how to record the transactions in receipt and payment voucher. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the journal voucher, and we also learn how to record transactions in journal voucher. So let's get started. Journal voucher. As we learned earlier, that this journal voucher record those transactions which does not comes under any other vouchers like contra voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, purchase and sales voucher. It also record adjustment entries also. And the shortcut key of journal voucher is F7. The transactions that comes under journal voucher are depreciation, bad debts, purchase on credit, and discount allowed to customers. These are some of the transactions that comes under general voucher. What is depreciation? Depreciation is nothing but decrease in the value of tangible asset over its useful life. It means decrease in asset due to wear and tear and obsolescence and other factors. And bad debts. This bad debt is nothing but the amount which is uncollectible or irrecoverable. For example, if we sold an asset on credit to a customer and at the end of the period the customer is failed to repay the amount, this is nothing but bad debt. Next, purchase on credit. Nothing but if we purchase any asset or anything on credit basis, that comes under purchase on credit. And if any discount allowed to customers, these are also entered in general voucher. These are some of the entries that comes under general voucher. So let us learn how to record these transactions in general voucher with an example. These are the journal entries that we are required to enter in general voucher. So first enter into Tally Prime app. I had already created a company. Now create a ledger. First, Madhu started a business 5 lakhs. Madhu, capital account. Computer sold on credit to Raghu. Here computer has been sold on credit to Raghu. So the entry is Raghu to sales. We need to prepare two ledger accounts, Raghu account and sales account. Raghu. He is a sundry debtor, as he is the person to whom we sold the goods. And sales, that comes under sales account. Next, machinery purchased for cash. Machinery comes under fixed assets. Here we purchased for cash, so there is no need to prepare purchase ledger account. Now depreciation on machinery. Depreciation that comes under indirect expenses as it is a P&L item, profit and loss item. And we also we had already prepared a machinery account, so there is no need to prepare again a machinery account. Bad debts. Bad debts that comes under indirect expenses as it is a profit and loss item. And furniture purchased for cash. Furniture, it also an fixed asset. Depreciation, we had already prepared a depreciation account. And discount allowed. We are allowing discount, so it is indirect expenses to us. Next, motor car purchase. Motor car, it's a fixed asset. Now, let us enter each transaction in general voucher. Go to vouchers and press F7 in your keyboard. The general voucher screen appears. First transaction is Madhu started a business. It is a capital. In previous class, we already learned about this transaction. That capital is a receipt to business, so that comes under receipt voucher. So press F6 and receipt. Madhu account. Credit how much? 5 lakhs. To cash account as cash is coming in. And computer sold on credit to Raghu. Here computer has been sold on credit basis. So it comes under journal voucher. F7. If anything that had been sold on credit basis, that comes under journal voucher only. Raghu account debit on account. How much? 40,000. To sales account. Control. Next, machinery purchased for cash. It is a payment that we are paying cash. So press F5 and debit machinery account. How much? 34,000 and credit cash account. Control it. Depreciation on machinery. This transaction comes under journal voucher. So press F7. First we need to debit depreciation as depreciation is expenses. How much? 3,500 to machinery account as depreciation has been provided on machinery. So credit the machinery account. Next, bad debts of 5,000 to Raghu. Here in second transaction, we sold on credit basis to Raghu. So, but Raghu at the end of the period has become bad debt of 5,000. So it comes under journal voucher. Bad debts account debit. How much? 5,000 to Raghu account. Against reference. Sorry, on account. 5,000. Control A. Next, furniture purchased for cash. Here we purchased furniture for cash, so it is a payment. Furniture account debit, how much? 15,000 to cash account. Next, depreciation on furniture. It is a journal. Depreciation account debit. Here it give percentage only. So 15%. So the original amount of furniture is 15,000. We have purchased the furniture for 15,000 rupees and we need to calculate this 15% on this amount only. So how to calculate is press Ctrl plus N in your keyboard. So the calculator appears on the screen. In that calculate how much? 15,000 into 15%. Here 2,250. The depreciation on furniture is 2,250. 2,250 to furniture. Control M. Next, discount allowed to customer. We allowed a discount to customer. So it is also a journal. Discount allowed is an expenses. So debit 600. We need to create a customer account. So go to ledger and create customer. He is the sundry debtor. On account, how much? 600. Control A. In coming to motor car purchased on credit, here it is also a credit transaction. So it comes under journal voucher only. Motor car, how much? 45,000. We purchased from on credit uh, from Venu. So okay, let's create Venu account. Venu is a sundry creditor. Control A. On account 45,000. Here. Now escape and go to profit and loss account. Press F12 configuration and view detail. Here, there is net profit and profit and loss account. These are indirect expenses, purchase, sales, indirect expenses, and finally we got net profit. Balance sheet. Here, capital, there is no loans, but current liabilities is sundry creditor and the net profit of profit and loss account transfer to liabilities and fixed assets and current assets. Here, the depreciation is the indirect expenses, that is a profit and loss profit and loss item. So it comes under debit side of profit and loss account. This is how we need to record transaction in journal voucher. Thanks for watching. If you want to receive more updates on Talipram accounting and related topics, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive latest updates.